All right, guys, so these next two problems are going to be a little bit more labor intensive, I would say, because they are the word problems and we're going to kind of be working a little bit backwards. I would say number 6 is a little bit more than number 7. So I have a rectangle that's to the right that is composed to measure 2 1/4 inches or 2 1/4 inches on each side. So what is the area in square inches? So remember, area equals length times width. Okay. Now, the thing is it doesn't say that the whole entire square is that 2 1/4. It's saying that this is going to be 2 1/4, this is 2 1/4, this is 2 1/4, and this is 2 1/4. That means that this cube is 2 1/4, this square is 2 1/4, this square is 2 1/4. So I basically need to calculate what the length is and calculate what the width is. Okay, so what I'm actually going to do, because I have it written out, I'm just going to add them. I could multiply them if I wanted to, but I can see right here that I can just very easily add it. So I've got 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, 2, 4, 6, 8. I get 8/4 or 9 because 4/4 is 1, so that's how I have 9. So my length is 9. So I know I'm going to do A equals 9 inches times. And then this one, I'm going to do 2 plus 2 plus 2 is going to be 6, 2, 4, 6, and then 1, 2, 3/4. Okay, so it's going to be 6 3/4. So now I need to multiply. I'm going to turn this into that improper fraction. So I'm going to do 9 times, so 6 times 4 is 24, plus 3 is 27/4. So I need to do 9 times 27, and then I need to divide it by 4. Okay, so I'm going to come up here. Actually, I'm going to do this on another scratch piece of paper so it doesn't look all crowded. So I'm going to do 27 times 9. So 7 times 9 is going to be 63. 9 times 2 is 18. 24. So it's 243/4. Now I'm going to convert that. 243 divided by 4. 24 6 times minus 24. Bring down my 3. 4 goes into 3 0 times. 6 times 4 is 0. I have 3 left over. I don't want to continue going and put it into a decimal. I will just leave it as a fraction of 3/4. So the area equals 60 3/4 inches squared. Okay. Now this next one down here, it says a rectangle has a perimeter. Okay, so remember, perimeter equals length plus width plus length plus width. And it says the length is 12 feet. So I know that this is 12 feet and this is 12 feet. And I want to find out the area. So I actually need to figure out what the width is, and then I can figure out the area. So what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to take this 35.5 and I'm going to subtract what I already know with my area. So I'm going to do 35.5 minus 12 plus 12 is 24. And that's going to give me 11.5. Okay, so that means between these two, it has to equal 11.5. So I'm going to take 11.5 and I'm going to divide it into 2. Okay, so I'm going to turn this into that improper fraction. It's going to be 23 seconds, and I'm going to keep, or actually let's go ahead and do this, divided by 2. Now I'm going to go ahead and keep, change, flip, and I get 23 halves. So I've got to figure out 23 divided by 2. No, 4s, sorry, because 2 times 2 is 4. Whew, caught that one. 4 goes into 23 5 times, minus 23/4. Okay, so that means that each side is 5 3/4. Okay, so now if I were to add up 12 plus 12 plus 5 plus 5 and then the 3/4, that should give me the perimeter of that 35.5. And if I do, it looks like I've got 34 and then 3/4 plus 3/4 is 6/4, so I'd get that 35, and then I have 2/4 left over, which is a half, so that is correct. So now I can figure out my area, and remember, area is going to be length times width. So I'm going to figure this out as 12 times 5 3/4, and I want to convert that to an improper fraction. So 12 times 5 times 4 is 20, plus 3 is 23/4. 12 times 23. So let's do 12 times, 12 times 23. 6, 3, 4, 2, 6. So it's 276/4. So if I do 276 divided by 4, 4 goes into 27 6 times, because 7 would be 28, so 24, 36. 4 goes into 36. 8 would be 32. 9. 9 times 4 is 36. So the area, 69 feet squared. Okay, a lot of work, but it is something that you guys are able to do.